Welcome back to the channel, gardeners. Today, we're diving into a topic that will transform your garden into a long-lasting food source. Imagine harvesting crops that keep giving year after year without the need for replanting each season. These are perennials, plants that live for multiple years, providing endless harvests with minimal effort. Let's go over the top 7 perennial crops you can grow for a more sustainable, productive garden. First up, we have asparagus. Asparagus is one of the first crops to pop up in spring, and once it's established, it can produce for up to 20 years. This veggie requires a bit of patience because it takes a couple of years to fully mature, but the rewards are worth it. Plant it in a sunny spot with well-drained soil, and you'll be enjoying fresh asparagus every spring. Plus, it's packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K. Next is rhubarb. Known for its tart stalks, rhubarb is perfect for pies, jams, and even sauces. This hardy perennial can thrive in cooler climates and can live for up to 10 years. Rhubarb prefers partial sun and rich, well-draining soil. Just be cautious. Only the stalks are edible, while the leaves are toxic. This crop will start rewarding you with beautiful red stalks as early as its second year. Moving on to chives, a flavorful herb that's also visually appealing. With their delicate purple flowers, chives bring a pop of color and flavor to your garden. They're low maintenance, hardy, and can survive in a range of conditions. Not only are chives delicious in salads, soups, and dips, but they also repel pests like aphids, making them a beneficial companion plant in the garden. Harvest the stems whenever you need them, and they'll keep growing back. Now let's talk artichokes. These plants might look exotic, but they're actually quite resilient perennials that can thrive in mild climates. Artichokes require full sun and rich soil, and with proper care they can produce for up to 5 years. In addition to their edible buds, artichokes also produce striking large blooms if left to flower, adding an ornamental element to your garden. Sorrel is a lesser-known leafy green that's actually a fantastic perennial for any garden. With a tangy, lemony taste, it's perfect for salads, soups, and sauces. Sorrel grows in a clumping habit, and once established, it will keep coming back year after year. It's also one of the earliest greens to appear in spring, giving you fresh produce when other veggies are still just seedlings. Looking for a bit of spice? Try growing horseradish. This hardy perennial produces pungent roots that are perfect for making homemade horseradish sauce. It's best to plant horseradish in a container or an area where you don't mind it spreading, as it can become invasive. Once established, you can harvest the roots in fall, and it'll grow back strong each year. Last but not least, strawberries. While most varieties are short-lived perennials, ever-bearing strawberries can produce delicious fruits for up to 3 to 4 years before needing to be replanted. With their sweet and juicy berries, strawberries are a garden favorite. They thrive in sunny spots with well-drained soil. To keep them productive, give them a good mulching, and be sure to trim off runners if you want to focus on fruit production rather than plant spread. Growing perennials is a wonderful way to make your garden more productive and sustainable. With these 7 crops, you'll not only enjoy an endless supply of fresh produce, but also reduce the time and effort spent replanting each year. Whether you have a large garden or a small space, these plants can fit into any setup, and they'll keep rewarding you for years to come. Screen text, subscribe for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments which perennials you're excited to grow. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.